I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Zoom link in Calendly and then attach it to an event type so every booking generates its own meeting. Open Calendly and sign into your dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left-hand menu and click Integrations and Apps. That opens the Integrations page, and the screen fills with app cards for things like Google Calendar, Stripe, and Zoom. Find the Zoom card under the video conferencing section. If your workspace has a lot of apps connected, type Zoom in the search bar at the top of the page to narrow it down. Click the Zoom card to open the Zoom integration page. The page shows a Connect Zoom button right in the middle. Hit that button. Calendly sends you to the Zoom sign-in screen. Sign in with the Zoom account where you actually want your meetings to appear. This is the step where people accidentally use a personal Zoom instead of a work Zoom, and then their invitees land in the wrong waiting room. After you sign in, click Authorize on the Zoom permission screen. That lets Calendly create meetings for you. You will bounce back to Calendly, and the Zoom integration now shows connected with a green check. I always wait for that check before I move on, because a pop-up blocker can quietly kill the connection and the button will still look like it worked. If you don't see the check, refresh the page and the status usually fixes itself. Now go back to the main dashboard and click Event Types in the left menu. Your event types list opens and each row has an edit button on the right. Click Edit on the event you want to update. In the event editor, scroll down to the Location section. Click the Location drop-down or the expand arrow to open it. Select Zoom from the options. If you see Google Meet or Microsoft Teams in that same list, Zoom is the one we just connected and the only one that will create a Zoom link. Once you select it, Calendly shows a short line under the drop-down saying it will generate a Zoom meeting for each invitee. That line is your confirmation. I check for that every time, because if the field still says something like physical location, the invite goes out with the wrong details, and you will not catch it until a client says they cannot find the meeting link. Now click Save and Close at the top right. That saves the location setting and returns you to the event types list. From this point on, every booking for that event type automatically creates a Zoom meeting and adds the join link to the confirmation and reminder emails. Before you call it done, click the share link on that event type and book a test slot using your own email address. The confirmation email you receive should include the Zoom join link. If it doesn't, go back into Edit, open Location, and make sure Zoom is actually selected and not just visible as an option. Another thing to know, if you ever replace Zoom or want to stop it, go back to Integrations and Apps, open Zoom, and click Disconnect. That removes the Zoom link from every event type using it, so only do that when you really mean to switch. If this got your Zoom link set up, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.